Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another recipe for you guys, which is South India's most light, healthy and easy breakfast, Upma. This is loved by the most. This brings me back to those memories of weddings and functions where Upma was a must. I hope you will like this video. So without any delay, let's get started. We will start with heating a pan and taking 1 cup of Sooji or semolina. We will dry roast it till golden brown. We will keep mixing it to make sure the Sooji doesn't burn. Once you start smelling the aroma of Sooji, it is time to stop roasting them. You can transfer the Sooji to a plate and let it cool for some time. While the Sooji is cooling down, we'll take the same pan or any other pan and heat it. I'm taking 2 tablespoons of ghee. It is so satisfying to see ghee or a butter melt, isn't it? Okay, now back to cooking. I'm taking 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 8 to 10 curry leaves, 2 green chillies finely chopped, 6 to 8 cashews which I have halved and then sliced them, chana dal and urad dal which I have soaked them prior. Mix them well. I am now adding salt. Mix them well again. We will now add 1 finely chopped onion. Now mix it all well till the onion turns golden brown. Once the onions are cooked well, we will add 3 cups of water. We will let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes. Once the water is boiled, we will add the roasted Sooji. And we will start mixing it well so that we avoid any lumps. It is very easy for Sooji to lump if you do not mix it well. The Sooji will start to soak up all the water. Once it soaks up all the water, cook for 1 minute, closing the lid. Now mix it well again and garnish it with coriander. Mix well again. and you're done. I hope you like this simple, easy and healthy recipe of upma. Please try this at home. If you liked it, please comment down below. I would love to read them. Also, don't forget to hit like and share. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please hit that red button to subscribe to my channel. Until next video, bye bye.